Hello, all the amazing people. I hope you are fine and you have searched a perfect topic for your learning. Welcome to my channel, Study with Aryan. Today, we are going to cover another essential topic that is all about mass and mass relationship. If you are in any standard, this is a crucial thing. If you are studying chemistry or you want to pursue the degree of chemistry, whether it's about chemical engineering, something related to analysis, you should know at least basics of it. Now, I would recommend you to cover molar volume, molar mass, mole, Avogadro's number, and all the stuff that is actual basic. Then jump upon that, like this question, because this is not the very basic. This is somewhat intermediate level of the same topic. Okay, let's just not waste your time and focus upon this. Now, self-assessment question says, on heating solid ammonium nitrate. Now, what is ammonium nitrate? Basically, conjunction of ammonium and nitrogen with formation of O3. Okay, so that is known as ammonium nitrate. Now, it decomposes to produce nitrous oxide N2O. N2O is a water substance, or you can say a water-based substance, not exactly the water substance, because we do not have H here. We have N here. That is nitrogen. That is N2O, nitrogen oxide, not H2O. That is not hydrogen. Okay. Well, let's just see the composition of it. Let me just open my black screen. Here is it for you. Yeah, I will select any attractive color. So let me just draw the configuration right here that says um, ammonium nitrate changes into N2O, then adds up 2 moles of H2O. Let's just simply copy down it. Okay, ammonium nitrate NH4. Okay, now let me just again revise or review that. Now NH4 ammonia and NO3, like NO3, that is nitrate combined with oxygen. Okay, NO3, that gives me what? That gives me N2O plus 2H2O. That is the question, I believe. Let me just rectify it if it is wrong. Yep, this is the exactly what it is asking. Now let's just focus upon it. At first, we have our given mass here. So you can just have an idea what is a given mass if you have already studied what is mole. Okay, if you don't remember, I can just make you remember what was it. It was like equals to number of moles equals to given mass upon molar mass. So basically, if you are trying to calculate any mole of any type of element, you can just take an example of CO2, that is carbon dioxide. The given mass of it is 12, and molar is 12 again. That will essentially give me the number 1 as my mole. So that is how we calculate the molar mass. Like not the molar mass, the moles. For molar mass, it is a separate concept again. I will not cover it because that is not somewhat a script that I am following today. However, if 200 gram of ammonium nitrate NH4NO3, that is NO3, okay, is completely consumed in the reaction, like it is completely consumed in the reaction, what if I say this ammonium nitrate equals to 2 moles of hydrogen? That is right. If you have studied balancing all the equations, configurations, you might have already had an evaluated idea in your mind that this equals to 2 moles of hydrogen, hydrogen oxide basically. So let's just calculate the mass of water formed and volume of N2O gas liberated at STP. STP is standard temperature pressure again. If you don't know it, you can just go and search it up. Basically, it gives us a configuration of what? A molecule, but in a volume or gaseous state. Okay. Now we have to calculate first of all mass of the water formed. I will just simply write it mass of H2O that we don't know, right? That we don't know. We have no idea of it. Now, what is the given mass? 1 NH3, or you can simply say ammonium nitrate, okay, is equal to 200 gram of its given mass. Okay, now what would be the molar mass? Let's just calculate it. Now, if I just multiply these two uh, exponents and my value reactant and product, that would give me 3 multiplied by 16, and that lets me to somewhat 42 exactly. And if I add 7 in it, that will be 49, right? If I like multiply it again, okay, let me just write it properly for you. Multiply h by 4, that will be 4 again, so I'll simply add 4 in it, and then add 7. That initially gives me I believe not the exact amount of number that we need, because I believe that we have to calculate it properly. NH multiplies by 4, then NO3, like NO multiplies by 3, that gives us um wait a minute, yeah, 80 gram of its molar mass. Okay, it's molar mass, not the given mass. Given mass is 200. Let me just clear it up for you. If you don't know how to configure this all in a short way, you can just search up for the tricks and tips on YouTube. You can definitely find how to do that. Okay, so that is mass mm, molar mass of this nitrate, ammonium nitrate, is 80 grams. Okay, now what if I say moles equals to, I have to find it moles at first, given mass upon molar mass, that will be what, 200 divide by 80, that is so, right? And 2 4 side 2, okay, let me just clear it up again, I just messed up. Okay, so this was 80, 2 4 side 2 1s are 2, that will be 100, and upon 4, if I say um, 4 1s are 4, and 4 2 side, one one number will be here. um, okay, so that will initially give me not the exact number again, I just messed up again, sorry. So it will be like almost 2.5 if we calculate it directly. You can utilize calculator in it. Okay, 2.5. And if I say NH4NO3 gives me 2 moles of H2O, that won't be wrong according to our question. You can just simply check it out. NH4NO3, that gives me 2 hydrogen, 2 moles basically. Okay, so 2 moles, and then I multiply 2.5 by 2, that will give me 5 moles. And now what will I do is multiply it again by the molar volume. Now what is molar volume? That is a constant value. Now if you don't know what is constant, constant means any particular value that stands out to be at its equilibrium rate. Okay, so 22.4 is somewhat our constant, and dm cube is our unit. Let's just multiply it by our number, that is 5 moles. If I do it alternatively in a short way, that will look like this. If I just apply formula here, that will be like moles equals to, again, given volume upon molar volume given volume. So indirectly I'll multiply the molar volume with what, my given moles. That will give me round about 56 point something dm cube. That was it. We just solved all the two parts of it. At first, it asked us about mass of water formed. It was 2.5, um, you can say 2.5 multiply by 2, that gave us 5. It was 5. 90 gram, you can say indirectly if I just apply the whole formula again. And this was what? 56 dm cube. I hope that's clear to you. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel. See you in our next video.